एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर न्यू जजमेंट। अगर चैनल पे नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें ताकि आपको आने वाली नोटिफिकेशंस मिलती रहे। यस, बी रेडी। 5 seconds. Start. All these appeals and cross objections have arisen out of one common award dated 14/3/1988 of the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Patiala, whereby 70 claim applications claiming various amount of compensation were filed by the legal heirs of the deceased who had died in accident on 15/6/1987 caused due to the negligence of the driver of bus number PUC-5282 stop. All these appeals and cross objections being based on same facts and similar grounds are disposed of by one common judgment stop. As per the facts which emerge from the impugned award on 15/6/1987, bus number PUC 5282, which was registered in the name of Messrs. Sharma Transport Company, registered Patiala, was a large number of passengers and was proceeding from Samana to Patiala when the bus, which was full of passengers, reached over the Bhakhra Canal Bridge. The driver lost control over the bus and it fell in the Bhakhra Canal stop. All the passengers died while one Harbans Singh received injuries. Stop. The bus in question was insured in the name of Messrs. Sharma Transport Company, the registered owner for the period 3/2/1987 to 2/2/1988, wide policy number 4577 start exhibit P13 stop. As many as 70 claim applications were filed before the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Patiala, by the legal heirs of the deceased passengers claiming various amounts of compensation. Stop. The respondents claimants impleaded Messrs. Sharma Transport Company, the registered owner, as well as Messrs. Jeet Transport Company, alleged transferee of the bus in question, and the appellant insurance company as the insurer. Stop. The claim applications were contested by the alleged transferee owner as well as the insurance company. Stop. It was pleaded by Messrs. Sharma Transport Company that they had sold the bus to Messrs. Jeet Transport Company before the date of the accident and had delivered the possession of the bus along with route permit on 12 January 1987 for a consideration of rupees 3,32,000, and out of which rupees 50,000 was paid as earnest money, and further 1 lakh was to be paid on 3 March 1987. It also gave an affidavit to Messrs. Jeet Transport Company to get the vehicle transferred in their name, and hence they had no liability to pay the compensation. Stop. It was further pleaded that the bus was being driven by the driver of Jeet Transport Company and thus they had no vicarious liability at all. Stop. Messrs. Jeet Transport Company, on the contrary, contested, stating that it has nothing to do with the bus in question and that one of its partners, Sarabjit Singh, was attorney of Messrs. Sharma Transport Company, which fully owned and possessed the bus in question. Stop. The appellant insurance company, in its reply in each petition, admitted the fact of ill-fated bus being covered by the policy of insurance issued by it, but sought to avoid the liability on the identical plea that the policy ceased to operate because of the sale of the bus by Messrs. Truss Sharma Transport Company, in whose name it was insured before the accident, to Messrs. Jeet Transport Company Stop. The policy of insurance therefore became ineffective and inoperative because of the sale before the accident, adding that in any event its liability was limited to rupees 15,000 per passenger, and that compensation could be paid only in respect of the deaths of 52 passengers, which was the registered capacity of the bus as mentioned in the policy of insurance. Stop. On the above pleadings, the parties went to trial. Stop. The relevant issues read thus. Stop. Whether the accident in question, loading to fall of passenger bus bearing registration number LUC 5282 into Bhagda Canal at Pasiana Bridge on Patiala Sangrur Road, was due to the rashness and negligence of the driver of that bus (OPP). Stop. Whether the bus bearing registration number PUC 5282 was validly transferred by respondent Messrs. Sharma Transport Company to Messrs. Jeet Transport Company on 12 January 1987. If so, to what effect? OPP. Stop. If issue number 3 is proved, whether the insurer, namely New India Insurance Company, is liable under the policy of insurance? Large number of witnesses were examined by the claimants. The owner of the bus also produced evidence. Stop. PW6 LK Khanna, branch manager of the appellant company, was also examined. Stop. The respondents further produced the certified copy of the order of the State Transport Commissioner transferring the permit to Jeet Transport Company, the agreement to sell Exhibit R2, and various other documents. Stop. The policy of insurance was produced as Exhibit R13, wherein it was mentioned that the liability of the company was such amount as is necessary to meet the requirements of the Motor Vehicle Act, and was issued to Messrs. Sharma Transport Company registered. Stop. The tribunal wide impugned award held that the accident took place due to rash and negligent driving of the driver of the bus. Stop. The tribunal further calculated the various amounts of compensation payable to the claimants. Stop. Under issue number 3, on the basis of the evidence on record, a finding was recorded by the tribunal that Messrs. Sharma Transport Company, registered owner of the bus, had transferred its route permit to Messrs. Jeet Transport Company on 12 January 1987, and a joint application Exhibit R5 was submitted to the Regional Transport Authority, Patiala, for the transfer of the route permit in the name of Messrs. Jeet Transport Company, which was further accompanied by an affidavit of Sri Ashok Kumar, partner of Messrs. Sharma Transport Company, and the said application was accepted by the Transport Commissioner vide Exhibit R1 on 3 March 1987. Stop. Further, the tribunal held that Messrs Jeet Transport Company, which was the owner of the bus on the date of accident in question, was in absolute possession and control, and as such was liable to discharge its obligation and liabilities arising under the Act. Stop. Under issue number 4, the tribunal held that the appellant could not avoid their liability. Stop. As regards the limits of liability, the tribunal held that the liability of the insurance company is unlimited. Stop. The awards of the tribunal has been challenged by the appellant insurance company on the following grounds. Stop. That admittedly no award has been passed against the insured of the appellants Messrs Sharma Transport Company registered. Stop.